Today, let's talk about self-improvement. It's a journey, not a destination. The best part? You don't need to overhaul your life in one day. Small, consistent changes can lead to big results. You're in control, and every step you take is progress. First, let's start with mindset. Change begins when you believe in your ability to grow. Replace "I can't" with "I can learn." Remember, failure isn't the end, it's feedback. So, embrace your mistakes and use them to improve. Next, focus on daily habits. Wake up earlier, read a few pages of a book, or start a 5-minute workout. These small habits compound over time. Don't underestimate their power. Also, surround yourself with people who inspire you. Positive, growth-oriented relationships will lift you up. Cut out negativity and feed your mind with empowering thoughts. Finally, practice gratitude. Celebrate your wins, no matter how small. Gratitude shifts your focus from what's missing to what you have, keeping you motivated to continue improving. Remember, self-improvement isn't about perfection. It's about progress. Start today. Take that small step. Believe in yourself and watch how your life changes over time. Keep going, your best self is waiting.